So, I was gonna keep this editing pack to myself. But then I thought, nah, let me bless the community. This is the ultimate editing pack, packed with color correction, text animations, 3D text, overlays, glitches, transitions, and everything you need to take your edits to the next level. No more struggling to find the right effects. It's all here, ready to drop. But here's the deal. I'm only releasing this at 30 likes, so if you want it, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications because when it drops, you don't want to be the last to get it. And I also want to thank you for all your lovely support. So let's get started.